Your child and your wife have been kidnapped. Sign away your arching rights to Dr. Venture, and they will be returned safely in the morning. If you
I don't know who you are, but you have made a very large mistake.
I have a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. Release my family and that will be the end of this. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you, and I will kill you.
Okay, sorry?
That was so scary! That was so scary!
Oh my god,
That was so scary! Scary!
Terrifying. We have to let them go.
We don't have them! We can't let them go!